And as you've seen in the title, it's a collective luxury haul, meaning that these are things that I have accumulated over the course of the holidays, even before the holidays. I think some of these things are actually from October, end of October. Yeah, I do have something, you know, some things are actually from, you know, October. So I'm just saying that just so you know, it's not something that I just brought up my card and I was just shopping. I've been saying for a while, and I'll continue to say here on my channel, that I'm more intentional about what I spend my money on, where I spend my time. Ladies, and welcome back to my channel, or should I say welcome. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Adele. Here on Passion Heavily, I share self-development videos in different areas as fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. And for today, it's a haul. If you're like me, I love to watch this kind of videos. I love hauls, especially when it's a luxury haul. Girl, I'm all in. And my mission here on my channel is to inspire you beautiful ladies out there to feel better, look better, and do better every single day. And to my sophisticated, elegant ladies, I say a big welcome to you, and I give you a virtual haul like I always do. Thank you so much for always being here with me on my channel. So for this video, I have two pairs of luxury shoes, and I have two pairs of sunglasses, luxury makeup and skincare that I just added into my collection, and I want to share that with you today. Start with the shoes. If you remember, if you watched my video that I shared in December for the holidays, a classic outfit for the holidays, I did share that sling back was back in trend. And the funny thing is, I have been looking for sling backs. I don't know what it is. I just got tired of the sandals that I had, and I wanted something that was open but not too open, something that is versatile, you can wear during the winter months and also during the summer months. That's how I see sling backs. I feel like it's that balance between the summer and the winter months. And so I picked this up from Farfetch last year when Farfetch was having a sale. I think this was before the holiday sale, or was it during the holiday sale? I can't remember, but this is what it looks like. Okay, I hope you can see that because of my light. So it does have the animal prints at the back. This is also like a 3.5 inches. So let me show you the other pair. Like I was saying, I did snag this up from Farfetch. Okay, and that's what it looks like. I love the animal print design at the back. It's slim back. Slim back is back in, you know, circulation. It is trendy and it is trending, and I absolutely love this, again, because the heel height is just perfect for me. Okay, it's 3.5 inches in height. I would leave this if it's still available. Another luxury pair of shoes that I got is from Versace. Okay, and this color of shoes I've been looking for, I think, for well over 5 years. I used to have these BCBG Max Azure pumps that were of this color, and that was literally like my nude. It was perfect for my skin tone, and ever since I've been looking, like, it took me a long time to actually discard those ones just because they were perfect for me. They were very comfortable, and they were my nude, like they were my shade, and so they were my complexion rather. So let me share with you. So it is this, again, with the sling back. Okay, I think this is actually maybe 3 inches because it's not even as high as the Giuseppe ones I just showed you. And here it is. I mean, how beautiful, stunning. Love the Versace logo at the back. Okay, and also on the side. The logo is also on the side. I did pick this up from, I think, where did I pick this up from? I think I picked this up from either Essence or Farfetch, I think. And that's what it looks like. Like, I love the color, and that's what the heel height is. I just want to do like a quick comparison. Yeah, I think it's about the same height, or maybe the Giuseppe's are, yeah, the Giuseppe's are slightly thicker, and maybe like maybe about the same height, or maybe an inch. It's not even up to an inch. The black is slightly higher than the tan ones. Like, these are the 2 pairs that I got, and I mean, I'm dying right now. I love it. And I got this pair not because slingback is trendy. I got it because I actually fell in love with these shoes. I got them because I know they're going to be a staple in my closet. I got them because I know I'm going to have them for a very long time. And I got them because I like is what I want to wear. And like I said, it's a good balance between sandals and pumps. So you have like the pump which is covered in front, and then you have like sandals at the back, the opening at the back. So that's why for me, I think it's the good balance between winter and summer, going out during those 2 seasons. Next item I'm going to be sharing with you is the sunglasses. Okay, and as I was saying before, I have these 2 pairs of sunglasses. I'm a huge sunglass girl, and I do have one from Burberry and I have one from Tom Ford. So let me show you what the Burberry one looks like. I love, this case is very similar to the Fendi ones that I have, and it does open like so. This is like a velvety feel to it, and I actually got this last year, and it has all the information cards and things in there. I did get this from Paris when I was coming back in October, end of October to maybe first week in November when I traveled. I got this. Let me show you what it looks like on. Like, I mean, oh, and the logo on the side. I mean, come on. Love this. Love it. Okay. And again, it's from Burberry, and I love the design on the side. Can you see the design? And then the logo, love. This is all black with that touch of gold on the side, and I don't have this shape, this oval shape. I don't have anything like that in my collection, hence why I picked this up. And for the Tom Ford, I don't have anything like this. I don't even think I've had anything like this ever since I've been wearing sunglasses, just because I have very sensitive eyes, and I try to kind of stay clear from, hence why I always kind of gravitate towards the dark ones. But when I saw this Tom Ford, also I got it from Paris. I mean, look at that. This is what I will classify as old money aesthetics, because it has no logo anywhere. Okay, I mean, look at the sides. This is the sunglasses that if you know, you know. Okay, and it comes in different colors. With the black, this is like a tinted yellow. I've seen like I think green, or was it red or burgundy, something like that. And it just only has that Tom Ford on there, and also on the other side. And that's about it. And of course it has it inside, but that's about it for logo. But again, it's a if you know, you know type of thing, because the T for Tom Ford is right there. But again, not everybody know that, hence why I say that it's the sunglasses that when you wear, people know that there's something special about the sunglasses. But the name of the brand, the logo, is not everywhere for everybody to see, and that's what it looks like on me. Okay. Now, speaking of Paris and what I picked up from Paris last year, I did go back into the Chanel counter, okay, and I did pick up a fragrance. Okay, now the exclusive line was so good, I had to pick up another one. And as you can see, this is brand new from Chanel, and I haven't opened it, so we're going to open that together. And I also picked up mascara and 2 new lip and cheek products, which I've been using for some time now. I've been using this lip and cheek product. That's what it looks like. I have the shade Camilla. I know I have the Camilla for sure, and I also, this is from their #1 line, and I cannot see, you know, the shade this is at the back. I think I'm just going to leave it in the screen for you, on the screen for you. And I also picked up a mascara. If you've been following me on Instagram, which if you're not following me on Instagram, girl, what are you doing? Give me a follow on Instagram. I share style inspiration on my Instagram. I share sales, my finds, what I'm buying, what I'm loving, things like that on my Instagram stories. So make sure that you follow me on Instagram. So if you've been following me on Instagram, you probably have seen this 2-3 products, because I've shared it on my Instagram, I think last month or 2 months ago, but I realized I haven't shared here on my YouTube, hence why I'm sharing with you right now. I do have this color, the pinky nude color. I do have that color right now on my cheek, and that's what it looks like. Okay, and I also have the mascara on my eye. I almost poked my eye out. Whew. I didn't know I was that thirsty. Okay, moving on to, now I was about to open this Chanel fragrance with you ladies, and then I realized I do have quite a bit of makeup and skincare here, and one of my goals for my channel this year is not to have like a super long video. I want to make it short and sweet for you ladies and not bore you. So what I'm going to do is, because I do have lots, I'm looking right now, I do have quite a bit of makeup and skincare to share with you. So I'm not going to open this fragrance here. I'm going to do another video, just, you know, sharing all about it, but I'm going to mention what I have here. I do have the Chanel fragrance also from the exclusive line. I do have that, and I've been talking about Hot Renfield. Here we have, this is our departmental store here in Canada, and I did pick up some YSL lip product. Okay, and I want to share that with you. So I do have these two that I picked up from YSL. Okay, and I'm going to share more in an upcoming video. I also picked up few things from Dior. I think I picked this up during the holidays, and I did like a re-up, so I did pick up from, you know, Dior. And I picked up the Le Balm, the hand cream. Okay, I cannot wait to talk more about this hand cream, because I've been using it. I think I got it last week or something like that, and I've been using it since then, and so I want to do like a mini review for you on that. Another item that I picked up during the holidays was this lipstick set from Valentino. And this is another reason why I want to do this luxury beauty haul in another video, just because again I want to update you, because if you have watched my video where I share my Valentino beauty haul, I'll leave that video up here in the card and also in the description bar below if you're yet to watch it. So I feel like I need to update you, because I was missing some, you know, gift items I was supposed to receive, and I got this you know, instead. But again, I want to kind of share with you and explain and update you better in that video. So we'll leave this for that video, just luxury beauty. That will make sense, and I can talk about, you know, each product in depth, opposed to doing it today. The rest of the things that I shared with you today, will check the description bar below. As always, the links will be there for you as well. So which of the items that I shared with you today is your favorite? Which one are you likely to check out and pick up for yourself? Let me know in the description bar below. All right ladies, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure that you give me a thumbs up. Okay, subscribe to my channel if you're yet to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, check out my website, and I will see you in my next video. And like I always say here, okay ladies, we do not do any drama, we aim to progress in our lives. And on saying that, thank you again for watching today's video, and I will see you in my next video. Take care ladies, God bless, bye.